Hi, Llama friends. Thanks for joining me in our calendar time today. We are going to start with our calendar weather, and then we're going to do a activity. So first, I'm going to share the screen so you can see our calendar. Today is Tuesday. Tuesday makes a T sound, or sound, sorry. And it starts with T. So we're going to move Tuesday over today, and you can help me read the sentence. Today is Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. And yesterday was Monday. So we're going to pull Monday down here. It is the second school day. Let's go to our calendar. So our yellow is on Tuesday because that's what today is. It says today is Tuesday. Let's take a look at our pattern. We have flower, umbrella. Yesterday was an umbrella, so today must be a flower. And today is Brian's birthday, so we're going to move the birthday cake over to today. And we are going to start counting with number 1 to see what today is. All right, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, hold on friends, 19, 20, 21. That's right. And remember, now that we're in the 20s, we start with a 2. So we're going to write a 2 and a 1. And tomorrow will be number 22. That's right. Let's take a look at our weather for today. I want you to look out the window and tell Miss Megan what the weather is today. I'm going to take a look out my window. It looks like it's sunny outside. I can't see any clouds outside my window. You might see some clouds. If you see some clouds and it's partly sunny and not fully sunny, let Miss Megan know and I'll change it. But I don't see any clouds in my little window there. So it looks like it has been sunny 1, 2, 3 days this week. That's amazing. I hope you get to go outside and play a little bit today because it's nice and it's warm and it's sunny outside. We don't like seeing those rainy days. So it has been sunny 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days so far this month in our school days. And we only see cloudy clouds for 2 days, and it's been partly sunny 1 day. All right, I'm going to stop sharing the screen, and then we are going to do our other activity. So we are talking all about buildings, and in the read aloud video where Miss Megan read buildings, 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 we talked about how some buildings are tall and how some buildings are short. So we are going to do an activity today comparing things that are tall and that are short. So on this slide, it says, which one is shorter? So we are going to look at this first box here where my mouse is. Which one of these blocks do you think is shorter? Do you think the yellow one is shorter or the blue one? That's right, the blue one is shorter. So we are going to circle the blue one. Let's take a look at the trees. Which tree do you think is shorter? Do you think this tree is shorter? Or do you think this tree is short? Point to which one you think it is. You are right, it's this one. This is the shorter tree. This is a little tree and this is a big tree. When something is short, it is little. Which one do you think is short? Do you think the lighthouse is short, or do you think the cabin is short? Which one? That's right, the house cabin, that is shorter. So we're gonna circle this one. Okay, now we're gonna go to this next box. Do you think the boy is shorter or the man is shorter? The boy is shorter, that's right. So we're gonna circle this one. We're gonna go to our next slide, and this time we're gonna see which one is taller. So we're gonna look at which one is the biggest. Let's look at our bears first. Which bear is bigger? Which one is taller? Is this one taller or is this one taller? Is the boy taller or is the girl taller? That's right, the boy bear is taller. Now let's take a look at our arrows. Which arrow is taller? Is this one taller or this one? Point to which one. You are right, it is this arrow. That one is bigger. Let's look at our flowers. Which flower is taller? Is this flower taller or is this flower taller? You are right. This one is taller. Sorry, it's kind of slow, so Miss Megan's circles don't look that beautiful. Is this elf taller or is this elf taller? You're right. This one over here is taller. Now we're gonna go to our, what happened? We're gonna go to our next slide. And this time, we're going to count how long our lines are. So we're gonna use a block over here to help us count. We're gonna see how long the line is. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, point to the blocks and help me count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what number does Miss Megan need to write? 7. That's right. Okay, let's go to the next one. Let's see how many blocks long this one is. We only have 1 block. So Miss Megan is going to write number 1. Let's go to the next one. Let's see how long this line right here is. I want you to guess, make a prediction. How many blocks do you think this line is? How long do you think this line is? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. We had 3. Show me 3. So Miss Megan is going to write number 3 on this line. So we had 1, 2, 3 blocks. Let's go to the last line. Oh, there's 2 more. So we're gonna do, we'll do 1 more and then we'll move on. So how many blocks do you think we'll need for this line? Make a prediction. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So Miss Megan is going to write what number? 8, you're right. All right, let's go to our next slide. Now we're gonna see how tall these blocks are and how many, or how tall these towers are and how many blocks we need to fill the towers. So let's start with this one right here. Miss Megan is gonna move the tile over. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many tiles filled this tower? 5. That's right, 5 tiles. Now let's look at the next one. How many does this tower have? 1, 2. All right, let's look at our third tower. How many blocks do you think will fit in our third tower? I love you too, Jack. 1, 2, 3, 4. Was your prediction right? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 tiles in this tower. It is 4 tiles tall. Let's look at our last one. It fits 1, 2, 3. So this tower is 3 tiles tall. All right, we're gonna do one more slide. Hold on, there we go. Okay, now we're going to see which are the shorter ones. So let's look at our lines. Which ones do you think are the shortest? I want you to point to them. Point with your finger. Which ones do you think are the shortest? We have 3 that are short. Which 3 are short? You're right. This one is short. This one is short. And this one is short. These 2. Hold on. This line and this line are the tallest. Those are really long lines. But the first one, the third line, and the fourth line are the shortest. Now I want you to look in your house and see which objects are long and which ones are tall and what is short in your house. Maybe you can even look outside your window or step outside in your front yard or backyard and look at the buildings around your house and see what is tall and what is short. All right, friends, thank you for joining me for our calendar time, and I will talk to you soon. Have a great night. Bye, friends.